A transgender individual sentenced tyke assault did a large number of assaults on individual detainees inside long stretches of being remanded into a ladies' jail. Karen White, who was already known as David Thompson and conceived Stephen Wood, was sent to HMP New Hall in September 2017 after British experts heard the 52-year-old attacker recognized as a lady. Breitbart.com reports, the jail benefit has apologized after White admitted to 2 counts of rape as a detriment to 2 ladies while in jail, while a judge requested 2 further charges of sex assaults on individual detainees to stay on record. White, who had already been imprisoned for a year and a half in 2001 in the wake of conferring offenses of revolting strike and gross obscenity with a youngster, did the primary assault inside long periods of landing at the all-ladies jail, as indicated by prosecutor Charlotte Dangerfield. She told a hearing at Leeds Magistrates Court, the respondent would stand near another prisoner, contact her arm and wink at her. Her penis was erect and standing out of the highest point of her pants. Showing up at Leeds Crown Court on Wednesday to concede a noteworthy assault going back to 2003, after a month ago admitting to 2 assaults did in 2016, White was additionally blamed for 3 more rapes in jail, 2 of which were purportedly gone before by the respondent disturbing female detainees with unseemly remarks about oral sex. In one of the cases White gave the victim a giant squeeze and the respondent pushed her hips towards her with such power that the complainant could feel his penis, Dangerfield told the court. White was exchanged to all-male jail HMP Armley after detainees revealed the assaults, as per the Telegraph, which announced that the prison service has issued an expression of remorse for botches which prompted the shielding disappointments for this situation. While we work to deal with all detainees, including the individuals who are transgender, delicately and in accordance with the law, we are certain that the security of all detainees must be our total need, a representative said. Current guidelines stipulate that detainees must be set into a correctional facility based on their legitimately perceived sexual orientation except if they distinguish as something unique, in which case an evaluation gathered be done by a neighborhood transgender case board, an activity which the prison service lets it out neglected to take in this occasion. With the Sun detailing that White's companions say the detainee, who purportedly has an ex and child, was not transgender and had been a drag craftsman in Manchester, the case is probably going to reignite political discussion over plans which would permit people basically to self-distinguish as the contrary sex with the end goal for it to be legitimately perceived. Campaigners say the plans would put helpless ladies in danger, with a report investigating Ministry of Justice figures a year ago uncovering half of transgender distinguishing detainees housed in penitentiaries crosswise over England and Wales were sex-guilty parties.